fucking 3 guys telling him to do.
Nah, man, he coming up here.
Telling him to do 3 different things. I was just trying to tell y'all he's clear on all tires.
Nah, man.
My bad.
He came up on a lift like he was like, oh, fuck it.
He's good. No, yeah, they weren't. I was just letting you know. You know you let me look. Bang him. Now you need to come over this way.
He said, wait. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Cat Nation, stand up. We are still here at Keith's shop, man. It's been a long day, so we're here at Keith's shop. Hope we had some success on this car right here, on this 392. If you guys see my last videos, we didn't have any success on B's car. And then we didn't have any success on the 300. We did have success on the Camaro though, but the stud is attached to it. Okay. He showed up with the right material. Yeah. So all he's doing is putting these rods on right here, man. So there y'all go. So this should work.
These are gonna work.
We've been.
These are gonna work.
Not having a good day today. We've been back.
These are gonna work.
We're literally 0 for 2 today on installs. Well, I didn't say we. They are 0 for 2.
1 for 3.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, 1 for 3. But that Camaro doesn't really count. No, but we're 0 for 2 on Mopars, and then we got one Camaro that did work. But you cheated though, because you order your stuff like from like the manufacturer, like that cheat. That's cheated from the manufacturer. Like, come on, man. You're right. I'll give you that. Anyway, man, so we're just doing the rods on this one, so it should work. This is what these guys do when they're on the job. Sit down. You sit down and drink. No, but these particular ones, man. So like mine, they had to cut off the actual end pieces, the bolts. But these right here, I guess they don't have to do that. Where'd you get these from? Amazon?
Yeah, they're on. Are we contact or lock open? No. Yeah. We'll leave them on there. We don't need to tighten it yet because I'll have to get the screw back in there.
Are you gonna bolt them to the?
Yes, sir.
To the splitter, or are you gonna do double side tape?
I'm gonna bolt them.
You gonna bolt them?
That double side tape shit's for the bird.
Oh, like you did for me? A couple times?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey man, that's because you wouldn't let me bolt it.
No, that's not why.
You're gonna have to buy new rods.
Hey, we're going with the theme of the splitter. We're going with bolt. That's my fault.
You always edge up to the line, Chase.
I know.
Like literally.
It's better that way.
Let me just look over the cliff.
I stick a foot out every now and then.
How long you got it? Longer? Oh yeah.
Yep.
So these are obviously universal, so it means that they can extend and everything else. So they just got to make sure it's the right, same length on both of them.
A little bit more?
Yeah, you smoking crack.
Maybe. Just right.
That's perfect.
Cool.
Good.
You want the bottom one or no?
And he ain't even got his glasses on, Chase.
Well, I can see good here.
That close-up stuff, he's all right.
One is definitely shorter than the other.
Make yours a little shorter so it's got more thread in it.
Hey, while they're doing that, guys, let me show you guys this. I keep putting Caitlin on camera. What kind of phone is this?
It is
LG V60
thin keel.
Let me tell you. Show them the pictures you took of my car. So she's been here, as you guys, well, you've seen on my IG. If you guys are not following my IG, make sure you guys follow me on IG. FaTkaT8181. But oh, let it focus. Let it focus. There you go. Look at this. This is no filter, no nothing, man. Like, this camera on this phone takes dope ass pictures. Look how nice the clouds are and everything else. Like, everything is all super clear. The colors come out super bright. That is so nice. Because my camera sucks. If you guys see my IG, like pictures I take with my camera, super sucks. And this, like I said, she just takes the picture, no filter, no nothing. And look how it comes out, man. Damn, that's so dope. So if you guys are looking for a phone to take some good pictures with, definitely check out this LG V60, man. I think might be my next phone. Rose gold watch. Oh! Chase, you know what you're doing over there, man? Do you know how to screw things? So what they're gonna actually do is, man, they're gonna take these and bolt them to the front splitter. I know you guys always ask me all the time, is it how do you put it on the front splitter? Do you bolt them, double-sided tape? It's really whatever you want to do. If you want to put a hole in your front splitter,
if you want it right, you bolt them. If you want it half-ass, you double-sided tape it.
So
that is your boy saying
he double-sided taped mine like 15 times. So I appreciate you looking out for me, Keith, Mr. FaTkaT. No, but yeah, but the right way, or the good way to do it would be to bolt it down. So that way, you know, you don't have no issues. I mean, mine haven't come up, but, or lately hasn't come up.
I've come up lately.
Oh, you know why? It's because I put glue on it. That's why. I remember I put the super glue on it. Because your method was not working.
What you want to do? You want to take the sleeves off?
Yeah, just so I can look at the screws. Because those sleeves are pain in the ass.
So I gotta take my bottom off.
You know,
One of them.
you should have got some
No, just screw this.
carbon fiber wrap
To go around it?
and wrap the
I thought
bolts.
about doing it.
You can still do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I didn't know what theme, because I wanted to do it around my car. But I don't.
I'm saying, but it'll go with the splitter though.
Yeah.
So if you get the carbon, like get just like carbon fiber wrap, like the vinyl, and just wrap the bolts.
But my thing is that right now, because the whole car is black, I wanted the rods to stand out a little bit more.
I got you.
So I didn't want it to be too dark.
What's B went with? He got blue carbon fiber.
Oh, really?
And you can literally see it like as you're driving.
Yeah.
Like if I look at my rearview mirror, like even like today, like he was driving behind me, and you can see like his rods, they're blue. So.
Running nuts all the way up. Yeah, I just wanted a little pop on it.
I got you.
Silver would stand out a little bit, so we'll get to it though.
Hey, and while we're here, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and say this. So you guys know me, man. I'm always super candid on my videos and everything else. So Mr. Category 392 also has lighting trends on his on these right here, right? His front lights. And look at that. His lights are off, but that part right there is not. And the only way he can get that off is if he pulls a fuse. So, and he said that every once in a while, sometimes if it gets like super hot or whatever, like the whole thing would just turn off. So, again, it's only that side. So again, you know, I don't try to throw companies under the bus or anything like that. I'm just telling you, I'm just showing you guys what's really going on. So there's a number of people that have had issues with this particular light set, you know, and it's different things. Actually, what really messes up the most is the DRLs. Yeah. So a lot of people don't have issues with like the rings or the demon eyes or things like that. Like all that seems to always work good. Or the lights. Do you got lights in your
the grill? No.
The grill. So, but even like the lights in the grill, they seem to work good. But for some reason, the DRLs always go bad. Not always, but they do go bad quite often, man.
Yeah, I've had no issues with this side.
Right.
And he's already fixed that side once.
Oh
I
man.
just think it's so hot. That that's the only time
I don't think that's what it is, man. I just think, I mean, because luckily, I would say, knock on wood, but mine have been straight ever since he fixed it. Okay. So mine have been good, literally, knock on wood. So I haven't had any issues with mine, nothing. Like they're all been working fine ever since he fixed it. But I mean, you know, just different people have have issues all the time, and they always only seem to be the DRL. The rings seem to be okay. The demon eyes, if you have lights in your grill, they seem to be all right most of the time. Nobody has issues with those. But these DRLs, man, I don't know what it is. And when I see a DRL, if you don't know what I'm talking about the daytime running light. So the one that, huh? For what?
Well, it looked good on your car when I watched the video back in the day, and then I got it.
No. But I made a video. And said, hey, these are the things you may not want to do. And not my fault that you had just ordered it right when that video came out. Like he literally had ordered it like a couple days before that video came out. He had just ordered it. But but yeah, but if you don't know what I'm talking about DRLs, I'm talking about this set of lights right here that replace, you know, the daytime running lights from the factory, right? So you know how to, on the Chargers, these light up as you're driving. We're talking about that part right there. So yeah, man. Anyway, you guys ain't done yet?
Well, I wanted them precise.
Here we go.
Precise.
Camera guy.
I want the same thread there as there.
Oh, you're counting the threads?
No, it's left-hand thread, right-hand thread. How much we got there? Looks like yours in a little bit more. I'm about in the middle of the splitter. If you look at it from the side. Like the middle of that line.
Yeah.
All right, man, so they pretty much finished doing this right here. As you guys can see, this is bolted. If you guys can see, it's bolted onto the front splitter on both sides. He was saying that he don't know if he's going to get like a wrap or something like that, so you know, like the vinyl or whatever it is, the carbon fiber material, to wrap those. But he said he likes it kind of like to stand out, so he might leave it like that, man. But anyway, so pretty much simple as that, man. You put them on, boom, there you go. Screwed in up there, bolted down there, and this, it just adds. You don't need it with this splitter, by the way, because there's bolted, you know, everything is bolted on the bottom, so it's already sturdy. But that just makes it even more sturdy than what it is. It's not necessary, it's not mandatory, but it is a good option. Plus, you know, plus it looks good, man. So anyway, yeah.
You're gonna do it
Mikey?
We need your feet.
What?
No, you're all screwed up.
Oh. They're out here doing a photo shoot.
We're gonna change them all on this car real quick.
Oh, you doing an oil change too?
Yeah, I brought it just in case.
Okay. But they got the oil.
There happens to be a guy with that brought an oil change.
God, she sounds good. Damn, she sounds good. You hear them pop pops?
That's what I want. Pop, pop.
You hear them pop pops? The pop pops. Got a pop tune in it. Yeah, man. So you sure you want to bring your car out here, man? You want to get in the picture?
I'm gonna get the oil change. He said if it's
Okay, huh?
He said if it's not raining, then I'll throw it out there.
Oh, then if it's not raining, then
All right, so we'll leave the cars here, and then okay, cool. Yeah, man. So look at that.
One hell of a lineup.
Cars out here looking nice and sexy. Hey, oh, you know what? And now I'm thinking about it. You literally, you have all of, you know, the American-made cars out here. You got Ford, Dodge, and Chevy.
The best one.
Oh my gosh, Jesus Christ, this lady. Look, guys, say no to drugs. Okay, perfect example right there. Say no to drugs. Just say no.
It's not drugs.
All American made right here, baby. American muscle. All right, guys, man. But yep, so they're gonna be out here taking pictures, doing all that good stuff. Camaro sounds good, man. I ain't gonna lie. Camaro do sound good. Tinted front of the windshield, can't even see her in there. Looking good, looking good. All right, man, that's it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Put some rods on the on that front split over there. It's kind of secure a little bit more. I think he's about to come out right now, so you can you know, take pictures with the rest of the group here. But anyway, all good though. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. There goes Caitlin back there. Getting all the angles, man. But like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it again. I chopped up this day in a couple videos because I didn't want a 45-minute video, and I'm sure you guys didn't want that either. So hope y'all didn't mind that I chopped up the day for y'all, and that's it, man. Like I said, be out here taking pictures, a couple pictures before the rain comes in. Remember, man, stay humble, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay positive no matter what happens. Remember, the man upstairs is never going to put anything on your shoulders that you cannot handle, man. So even when you're going through something that you think is super difficult and you cannot see the end, trust me, man, just work at it day by day, man. Don't look at it as a big picture, as a big problem. Just every single day, you know, do something to work towards going through that problem, man, and eventually you'll see your you know, the light at the end of the tunnel, man. So make sure y'all just continue to work through it. Don't get discouraged, and you know, everything will work out, man. So anyway, other than that, appreciate y'all again for watching this video. Please stay genuine and true to yourself, man, because anything else will be uncivilized, man. We'll see you on the next one, man. We out. Let's go.